Well, if your health insurance company denies a test, a treatment, or medication, do not rush to pay out of your pocket.
You can push back and potentially save big. Our Nydia Hahn live in studio to explain how. Nydia.
Sarah and Brian, the denial numbers are incredibly high. When you look at plans sold on healthcare.gov in 2023, nearly 1 in 5 in-network health insurance claims were denied. And it was even worse for out-of-network claims, with more than a third turned down. But here's what you need to know. You do have a guaranteed right to appeal that decision, and appealing is easier than you might think. Getting denied for a health insurance claim doesn't mean you should immediately pay out of pocket or worse, skip the care you need. First, call your insurance company. Sometimes a simple billing mistake or paperwork error is all that's standing in your way.
Mistakes can and do happen at multiple points in the claim filing pre-authorization process. They can be relatively easy to fix once you identify them.
If it wasn't a mistake, you have the right to appeal. Ask to speak directly to the reviewer who made the decision and get a clear explanation for why your claim was denied. You'll need that information for the next step, filing a formal appeal stating that you disagree with the decision.
You're going to ask your doctor to write a letter to explain why the procedure is necessary and to include any documentation to help support that, like your medical records and treatment studies, and any communication with the insurance company.
Doctors are used to this, so don't be afraid to ask. Now, the next step might be the hardest, waiting. It could take 30 days or longer for an answer. If you need treatment right away, make sure you request an expedited review.
So if you get a letter that the insurer is still denying the claim, know that both Medicare and private insurance companies are required by law to provide the reason in writing, as well as explain how to appeal the decision with an independent third party.
And if you get your insurance through work, consider asking your human resource department to help. And if Medicare denied your claim, consider getting legal help to have your case heard before a judge. There is a law that's supposed to protect you from surprise medical bills, but if you still get one, Consumer Reports says one of the best things you can do is ask for an itemized bill and question every charge before you pay. It's not fun, but it's good to do it, guys.
Never fun, but important. You got it, Nydia. Thank you.